In front of me is Nothing Phone 4a, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now tap on the icon of it at the top and select pop-up window. Then hit next or skip in this pop-up. And tap on tiny window to use your app. Resize it by holding one of its bottom corners. Move it around thanks to this line at the top. If you wish to minimize it, click at the top left corner. And then click on the bevel. To use it in full screen view, hold this line at the bottom and drag it down. To close your window fully, click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!